Are you a current Madison College student and thinking of changing your program? Don't worry, you're not alone. According to National Center for Education Statistics, within 3 years of initial enrollment, about 30% of undergraduates had changed their major at least once. If you would like to see how your current classes fit into other Madison College programs, keep watching the step-by-step guide on how to run your degree scenario. In the internet browser of your choice, open up the current student page of the Madison College website. Navigate to My Madison College and scroll down to access the new portal. After you log in, click on Academic Progress, then from the menu on the left, choose Degree Scenario. First, select an area of study. Then select a program from within that area of study and click Submit. The report will be opened in the new window. Scroll through the program requirements to see where your current classes fit. You can choose Collapse All to see a term-by-term summary of courses currently required for the program. Click Expand All to see which classes you have taken meet those course requirements. Click View Report as PDF to download, save, or print the report. Why don't we have a look at a specific example? Let's say I'm a current visual communications student who is thinking of getting a web and interactive design certificate. To find out what classes I will have to take for this certificate, in the field Area of Study I will choose Art, Design, and Humanities, and in the field Programs within this area of study I will choose my target certificate, Web and Interactive Design. The report tells me that this program consists of 7 courses, 2 out of which I have already taken, which is great. Knowing what classes are still required for this certificate, I will be able to make an informed decision about electives for my visual communications program. Clearly, for required electives, I would choose classes that would satisfy my target certificate requirements. Therefore, I could save some time and money and get the certificate along with my degree program faster. Running a degree scenario can be a useful tool if you're planning to change your degree program or to enroll in multiple programs and certificates. It will make it easy for you to learn what is required for your educational goals. If you have any questions regarding this matter, please see your advisor. To find out who your advisor is, choose My Advisors from the menu on the left. Go to madisoncollege.edu and run your degree scenario today.